This week at FAMETATTOOS.
Hello, my name is Olivia. I'm here at FAMETATTOOS. I'm honored to be here today to get my tattoo done with Yasmani. He's going to be doing a watercolor piece. It's actually an addition to something else I had previously. So he's going to be doing a little mix of flowers and a very nice bird that we agreed on together. So we're going to see how that comes out. Yasmani, thank you so much for putting in a special touch and that special color that you know it means a lot to me and my family. And definitely for being so lightweight, because it helps with the big pieces. I loved it.